want to take a moment to show y'all how you keep fucking up Nissan Altimas and many other vehicles that have similar setups here under the hood. Okay? Firstly, here's your bolts. These are both motor mount bolts. Okay? One goes into the body and one goes into the timing cover. So, you see the big difference here? They're both, well, one's on the ground now, but I got more of that one. They're both a 16 millimeter head on them. They're both about the same length, but one's a fine thread and one's a coarse thread. So, the coarse thread goes right into the engine. No problem. See how easy that turns? Now I want you to see something. This is the most important part. This is where y'all always fuck up. The fine thread will start going in, and then it'll get tight. And then you stupid motherfuckers push it in with an impact, and then I gotta replace a timing cover. Same here. The coarse thread, it'll start going into the body, and then it'll stop. And you motherfuckers ram it in with an impact, and then we've got busted off bolts. Always make sure that any bolt you're putting in has clean threads, and it can just go in most of the way by hand. Otherwise, it's probably the wrong fucking bolt. Thanks for watching.